Hello, so for today's adventure we're heading to Frankenmuth, Michigan, which is one of our favorite spots, and today they are having the Dog Bowl, the annual Dog Bowl. So we are going to check that out, as well as having lunch at Zender's and visiting some of our other favorite stops there. Some very cool dogs here today. I don't think I have ever seen a dog quite like these. Are they in a contest or?
She will be next month. She's not even a third of the way done.
This is called a varmint hunt, and the dog has to locate a real live rat in a little cage. Looks like they're not doing one right now, so maybe we'll come back. This. There's another activity they have where the dog chases this little bag. I don't think this guy wants to participate, though. Let's see who's next. Oh, he's doing it. Look at him go.
I saw the dog in her
There are lots of awesome vendors and dog treats here.
Rachel knows what she's doing. She's been here for 2 years now. And we take it off with baby. Whoa! Another
dogs are taking a bath.